Topic 2-2, Part 3. We're going to solve this equation. Notice I have my equal sign here in the middle, terms on the left, terms on the right. Notice that I do have two variable terms. You always want to get the variable on the same side. I always move my variable from the right-hand side first. This is negative 1a, or subtracting 1a. The opposite operation of subtraction is addition. So let's add 1a to both sides. That would be your first step. Therefore, the a's cancel on the right-hand side. Negative 1a plus positive 1a gives you 0. There's no variable left. They just cancel. So on the left-hand side, I have 6a plus 1a is 7a. Bring down your 14, bring down the equal sign, and bring down negative 7. Isolate the variable. So let's move adding 14 by performing the opposite operation of subtraction. So let's subtract 14 from both sides. What you do unto one side, you must do unto the other. So you have 7a equals to negative 7 minus 14 gives you negative 21. Divide both sides by 7. When you divide both sides by 7, your final answer is a is equal to negative 3. So your final answer for this first example is a equals to negative 3. Yes, we could still check these problems, so let's just check one over here to the side. Taking my original problem, I will substitute in a is negative 3 back into the original problem, in for a, and we will see if the left side equals the right side. So you have 6 times negative 3 plus 14. Does this side equal to negative 7 minus a, which is negative 3? Multiplying 6 times negative 3 is negative 18 plus 14. On the left side, I get negative 4. So let's see what I get on the right side. I have negative 7 minus negative 3. When you're subtracting, we change two signs. You add the opposite. So change subtraction to addition and take the opposite of negative 3. Therefore, this is negative 7 plus 3, which is also negative 4. So yes, I do get the left side equaling the right side. Therefore, my answer is correct. Let's look at another example of solving an equation. This problem has terms on the left, terms on the right. But if you notice, I have two b's here and also a b term here. So at any time, if you can combine on either side of the equal sign, you must do that first. Now, there's ones in front of these b's. A variable always has a number in front of it. If you don't see a number, it's understood to be a 1. So 1b plus 1b gives you 2b plus 18 equals to 4b. Now, I have variables on both sides. Move the variable from the right-hand side by subtracting 4b from both sides. Notice 4 was positive, so we're undoing that by subtracting 4b from both sides. So 2b minus 4b gives you negative 2b plus 18 equals 2. When everything cancels on a side, you must leave me 0. When everything cancels on a side, leave 0. Next, let's subtract 18 from both sides. By subtracting 18 from both sides, we now have negative 2b equals to negative 18. Next, let's divide both sides by negative 2. To finish this problem, we will divide both sides by negative 2. Therefore, b equals to positive 9. That's your final answer. B equals to positive 9.